अरे यार बहुत तेज है, मान मान। All people live together and the symbol of Christianity. Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? Hope you all are living definitely amazing. So welcome to the fourth crazy video of this new series is Unseen Karachi. So right now we are here in Karachi.
But how to get this stunning place? So first of all you have to take a bus, but it is not necessary, you can use your own vehicle. In my case the first location was Tower, and then take one more bus for reaching out the Kemari, and I guarantee you will enjoy all the ways. Because those buses show how colorful the tradition and culture of Pakistan. And obviously after reaching out the Kemari, you are approached to so many locals for taking their service. But do bargaining if you can do. The initiate of this crazy experience was a bit creepy because I haven't been in a boat anywhere. But slightly it is getting easier and easier.
But at least we are Pakistani. See the water, it's like a sewage water. Honestly amazing. It's a ferry but we are in local.
And just remember this phenomena: after sitting on the board, keep all the thing aside and just enjoy your views.
You can come here at this point by road as well, but boat has different experience, and there are so many ferries which is operated by the government, but they have certain time, so you have to take the local boat and then get this point.
Getting an entry ticket in this horrible rush, it's also a biggest challenge for us.
How clean water is there? By the way, my father is enjoying this atmosphere. See how beautiful this beach is, but we don't deserve this. Me and my father is sitting and enjoying the sea view. These all are the insects. They just move their places as well. So we decided to not sit on the ground. It was crazy. It can be critical situation. We sit here I think almost 15 minutes and it is amazing. Smell of the sea, smell of the ocean is crazy. And you can see we come from there. Basically so many tourists come here and enjoy their weekend or enjoy their Sunday. Actually my shoes are the biggest problem. And I have to take off this, and now I'm free. Unfortunately, I have lost my shoes. टूट जाएगी। When you dive in your fair, then you will get an amazing results. Water is clean over here, but the problem is that you can see behind me the stones, sharp stones. They have sharp edges. It can create a problem when you dive on the sea. So that is why people don't dive in the sea, and it is clean. By the way, the water is too cold. My shoes got wet. We can do it, at least enjoying the view. There are so many activities to do, but time period is very limited. We have. We don't deserve this. Oh my god. The location is so peaceful here, and I don't know the exactly name of this point, but people called, and this place is known in locally Manorah, but I don't know the exactly name which is exists in the Google map or somewhere else. We are trying to go on the road from this side. uh, the place is magnificent. I think it's a mandir, but doors are closed. Road cannot compare the boat experience. It is amazing, the magnificent experience, and it is totally adorable. When you sit on the board, the thing. It's a different smell, like a dirty smell, you can say, but it is amazing vibes. You should try this out. The boat experience is a bit expensive if you compare this to road experience, because per person the fare of per person is 100 rupees, which is not much expensive. But if you compare both sides, boat one is a bit expensive and the road one is a bit cheap. I can surely say that this area, this point, will be the biggest tourist attraction in future. It looks like I'm in Europe. I haven't been somewhere in the church in my life, but see how Pakistani are great. There are so many communities: Muslim, Christianity, Hinduism, and Sikh, but they all live with brotherhood. This is called Pakistan, and this is called Pakistani hospitality, and we all are Pakistani, by the way. Thank you for this person. He allows us, and this is. These are the, I don't know what to call this place, but it belongs to Christianity, and I love this peace, and everything is amazing. These are the boundary of the church, you can see, and this something I don't know what to call this place. Mother Mary. In Christianity, in Christian people, they call this place or this thing is Mother Mary. Golden Jubilee. This is one of the oldest church, 100 years old church. It is amazing. First time, I'm happy to visit first time in the church, and everything is insanely, mind blowing. That was a church. The plus point is that there are one shrine along with the sea, and the shrine name is Yusuf Shah Ghazi. You can see behind me, this is the tomb of Yusuf Shah Ghazi. I don't know we are allowed to go up there, but let's see. I've gained so many crazy experience, but this is top of my list. Amazing, bro. Can you imagine This is a Pakistan. This place is under construction, and you know, after the construction, the result will be mind blasting. I'm not able to capture you. We have no much time, so we have to go back. But you know, sunset is magnificent and adorable. I have no word. It is amazing. I have seen so many sunset, but from the mountains, it is different from the sea. The shrine of Yusuf Shah Ghazi. So these all the thing for this crazy and amazing experience. So these all the thing for today's video. Hope you like this efforts. Hope you like this video. So if you like this video, so come back for the next travel vlog. So I'll catch you guys there if I will be alive. So keep chilling, keep chilling and take care. Allah.